walk to Ian's, he's in work. And I've come into the kitchen and I've noticed just squeeze it out after you're finished with it. Why you put it there wet? I don't understand. We argue about this at least once a week. There's only one thing for it. I'm gonna have to give him the ultimatum. It's me or the wet sponge. Because I can't do the wet sponge anymore. It's grim, it's germy, it's heavy, and it's gotta go. So I've just popped home really quickly. I've set the printer up, it has started printing. I chose blue because, well, the kitchen's navy, the accessories. I haven't got navy, so blue will do. I'm just waiting for my friend to knock. We're going for a walk into town, I'm gonna grab a coffee, have a little catch up, and by the time I come home, this might be finished. It's gonna take about 2.5 hours, so then we can see if the scrub daddy fits in it and how it looks in Ian's kitchen, so that we can still be in a relationship, otherwise I'm gonna kill him. Okay, so I'm back from my walk. We did a lovely 8,000 steps. It's a beautiful day outside, and coming home to this just makes me happy as well. Those little legs. Oh, that's the drainage hole. I thought that was like a support you snap off, but you see, there's a little hole down there, and that's where the water drains out. So, okay, bit random. But he's good. Right, let's take him back to Ian's. I'm back in the bungalow with my holder, and I've been to Tesco's. Scrubby Daddies are £2.70 now if you've got a Tesco's Club card, otherwise for all the normal people they're £4. So I'm hoping this is going to solve a massive problem. Oh, he's a little dog one. Oh, how cute is that? And when the water drains out now, take him up there. You can see how he looks on the side of the sink. Oh, that's nice. Right then. No more sponge. Yes. I love it. I don't even care if Ian loves it or not. I love it. And there'll be no more heavy, slimy water anywhere. Because even if he puts that back in there wet now, the water's going to drain out. I think this is a win.